welcome to the channel. This is video number 8 in the Modern Maker series that I'm doing. I'm really excited about this one because it's about Paul Hamler, who makes mini tools, mini everything. He's made mini lathes, mini vises, mini planes, mini pew-pews. I don't know if I can say that on here, but just awesome, really cool things. And what I find unique about it is, like, for us woodworkers, we can go buy, I want to build a box. I can buy plans on how to build a box. There's nothing like that for what he's doing. There's no plans that say, this is how you make a little mini miller's patent. He comes up with all of that on his own. The plans, the machining, the small parts, everything. And that is just super impressive. I follow him on Facebook, I think on Instagram as well, and I just geek out seeing how he makes things and what he's made. And it's just very impressive. And he's been doing it for over 40 years now. And it's just, I just love him. I don't know how to explain it. His tools are awesome. One day I'm going to have one and it's going to go right here. So keep an eye out because that's coming up. His planes are still available. His tools are still available. He still makes them. They're on Jim Bode's website. So I'll put links to the websites and all that kind of stuff down below. You guys got any questions, any comments, anything like that, let me know and have a good day.